Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to get some information about your CPU and your GPU temperature. Even more, both on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And how to put those readings in your taskbar. So for that we are going to use third-party application that is called HW Info. So go to their official website, download it, and I already did that. So I'm going to minimize my browser and I'm going to install it. Default settings are fine. Launch it. And now we should be able to see it in here. Let me check. Yeah, it's in here. Right click on it. Show all. If for some reason you don't see this window on the right, check on sensors. In here we are going to look for CPU temperature first. It's this one, core temperature. Right click on it, add to tray. You see we have it. Now I'm going to look for GPU temperature. I'm going to find my graphics card. Yeah, that's this one. Right click, add to tray, and we have them both. Now one more thing needs to be solved in here. On this icon, right click, go to settings. I believe it's settings. Yeah, it's settings. We have to uncheck show sensors on startup. Minimize main windows on startup, that's fine. Minimize sensors on startup, it's fine. Auto start, okay. Flash buffers, it's okay. Everything else, it's totally fine. If we don't check these settings, if we restart Windows, we are going to lose all of these notifications. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!